Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install XAMPP. If you guys don't know what XAMPP is, it's basically the combination of all these softwares like PHP, MySQL, Apache. Basically it has everything that you need in order to run a website or to host a web application if you want to make an application with PHP. So the first thing to do is just to go to Google, look for XAMPP. Click in downloads. Something I would recommend you to do is to download the latest edition, which is this one that comes with, as of right now, the latest edition is the 7, the one that comes with PHP 7. So download that one. Just I'm gonna cut the video. We'll be back once we finish. Okay, so once you download XAMPP, just double click it. Yes. Don't worry about this message, just hit yes. Welcome to XAMPP. Click next. Next. I would really recommend you to leave this pad over here, don't change that. No. Next. Next. Once the installation is complete, just hit finish. So once you finish with the installation of XAMPP, you just have to open it. Once you open it, you will see the control panel. In the control panel you will find Apache and MySQL, which is the two applications that we will need in order to run our web server. You have FileZilla, Mercury, Tomcat. Those are for different applications like emails, like a email server, things like that. So you just have to click start on Apache and click start on MySQL. As you can see right here, Apache is running on the port 80. If you happen to have an error with Apache, let's say for instance you just install XAMPP and once you click start it doesn't start, that might be because another application is using the port 80. I noticed that Skype is one of those applications. In that case you can go, if you want to solve a problem, you can restore your computer or go to services and look for Skype or look for a service that is using the port 80 or 8080, deactivate it or just stop the service. Once you do that, you will be able to start Apache. So once you start Apache, the only thing you need to do is just start uploading projects. You have to go to the main directory where XAMPP is located. In my case, it is on the C drive. The folder that you need to put all your projects is called htdocs. Right here, you can put all your projects. This is just an example. This is so you can see that it's working. Let's create a new text file, index.php. So just to show you guys that this is working, HTML. now you can just go to your browser and type localhost / in this case it's called test. Indeed it worked. Okay guys, if you like the video please hit like if you want more tutorials, and thank you for watching.